goes your seam. So we're taking off this tab right here. We're gonna need to take all this whole shingle right here off. So I am trying to be gentle, but as you can see already, you have matting transfer from this to the bottom applique. There goes your matting transfer. Three, 4, 5. You got 5 nails in the nail line. All right, so now you would think that this shingle would come off, but the problem is you got to go 2 levels above because there's a nail right here that's gripping this shingle. So now we got to go ahead and get this off. Matting transfer, big time. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this one out. What I'm doing is I'm holding the shingle here and raising it to less than a 45 so I can get my tool up underneath here and leverage the nail out of there. Trying to prevent any type of creasing or anything like that. Okay, here goes your shingle.
Certain teeth?
I'm not sure yet. It just says Miami-Dade. A couple manufacturers come out of Miami-Dade.
Yeah.
All right. Also got to get this one now. Okay.
Got a tear.
So look at this. So we got a tear here. So while we're doing the repair, to properly do this repair, we now have to go 2 levels above this right here because this one accidentally got cut while taking off the shingle. So you got to go 1, 2 levels above this shingle here. But let's just take this one out since it's got the wind increase or wind crease. Let's see if we can do it without tearing the shingle on this row any worse than it already is. So now this level got ripped off right here. Look, the shingles are very brittle and it's not even that cold out. More matting transfer here. So what's happening now is we're starting to see is a domino effect that's occurring as we progress through the roof. So you got a big tear right through here in the center, but that's coming out, so we're not worried about that. Where it is, all right, here, here, and here. So you gotta get this one. Okay, there goes that one. You can see the tear, you can see the matting transfer. Okay, You got 1, 2, 3, 4 nails in that shingle. Code is 6. So now we got to take this one off here. But remind you, we got to go 2 levels above. So what I'm going to do for now is we're just going to tarp the area. I'm afraid that especially as we get higher above the roof, that we're going to continue spreading this damage across. A lot of wind damage on this roof. And so we're going to go ahead and get it tarped and get it sent into insurance.